my channel, Naturally Lori. If you are new here, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you are not new, you know you've been here, welcome back, baby girl, baby boy, whoever you is, welcome back. I appreciate you. And yeah, so today's video is going to be another product review, but this one is going to be over the Garnier Fructis Nourishing Treats 1 Minute Hair Mask, and this is the coconut extract one. So honestly, this product is about half gone. It goes fast because it's super lightweight, and it's not lightweight to the point where you don't feel it being moisturized, but it's lightweight to the point where you're like, I think I need a little bit more of this, you know, but not because it's not moisturizing your hair. It's just so light on your hair. I'm sure, I know y'all have seen a lot of natural hair influencers post about this about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years, when these had first came out. And I've had this for about 7 months. I don't even know how long I've had this. I had a product haul video that included this. If I know which one it is, I'll have it linked down below, and I'll try to link it in the iCard. Is it this one? I don't know. Either corner, I try to link it in the iCard. But yeah, this product is 98% naturally derived ingredients. It has 98%. And this is a 1 minute hair mask, but it can be used 3 different ways. So as you know, it is a 1 minute hair mask, so you can use it as a mask, you can use it as a regular rinse out conditioner, and you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. Now, I have personally used this product maybe 3 to 4 times. This is actually the product that I use to moisturize my hair under my box braids. So you know how I told y'all in that video how I parted my hair first, and because I did the rubber band method, how I parted my hair first and put my hair in rubber band first. So as I was going through as I was putting it in the rubber band, I actually put maybe like just a little tiny bit of this product on each piece of hair, and my hair was thoroughly moisturized underneath. So with this being a review, I have to honestly say I like this so much more as a leave-in conditioner than anything. I wouldn't use this as a rinse out. I just wouldn't. Conditioner, but it's okay as a deconditioner. As a deconditioner, I give it a strong 7 out of 10, but as a leave-in conditioner, it's definitely a 9 out of 10, or maybe I say 9.5 out of 10. But I really like this product. Again, this is one of the products that I would recommend. I would recommend it for any hair type because it is lightweight, which means it's buildable. Do you know what I mean? Like, you can start off with just a small amount and build it up to what you need. So if you have thinner hair, you can use a little bit and be okay. And if you have thicker hair, you can you know, use more. Now, one thing I will say, so it's not about this particular one. They have like all different types of scents. In a second, I'll bring in some smaller ones so you can see those. And it's like different scents or whatever. But the small ones are like $3 for just a little small, you know, like them small ones. And this is $5. So I feel like those little ones, but why would get a small one when you can get a big one for $2 more, you know? So okay, so these are the other 4 scents. So the other one was the avocado. They got goji extract, banana extract, avocado extract, and papaya extract, and all of them is for different things. So I'm sure y'all have seen all of these, but like I was saying, this is like, if you buy this individually, I actually bought 5 of them in a pack, but if you buy one individually, it's like $3, right? And it's only 3.4 fluid ounces, which is not bad. That's fair, like $3 for 3.4 fluid ounces. And my sister has thick hair. Oh, that smells good. But my sister has really thick hair, and she still has a lot of this left. So that's not bad at all. That's what you can, you know, all you can get at the moment. But why spend $3-4 right here with just this, where you can spend $5-6 and get 13.5 fluid ounces, you know. But you know, that's the only thing that I would recommend. It's not a con, it's just something I would recommend. Get a bigger one. But these, they all work really well, like they do. Definitely recommend them. And yeah, these actually aren't mine, these are my sister's. I have never actually used either one of these at all. I've only used the avocado one, but I wanted to bring extra ones in here so y'all can see you know, the different options you would have. But yeah, like I was just saying, I do recommend this one. I recommend those over here. And yeah, they're all pretty much the same consistency. They all smell really good. And yeah, I just recommend it. That's all I gotta say about this. But yeah, that's it. So please like this video, comment down below, share with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And once you subscribe, you will see, you know, I'm other videos I upload. I'll make sure to upload plenty more product reviews, a lot of everything. So yeah, bye.
Promise that you'll never be lonely.